Today's topic is in Kashmir, BJP does its bit to back new players in bid to dislodge NC PDP. Dictation starts in 5 seconds. Start. Although the Bharatiya Janata Party is not contesting the 3 Lok Sabha seats in the Kashmir Valley, over 3 dozen leaders from the party have started a rare people to people contact and asked the cadres to support parties which have a potential to dislodge the National Conference and the People's Democratic Party. The valley is witnessing its first Lok Sabha polls after Jammu and Kashmir became a union territory in 2019 and a victory of regional parties other than the PDP and NC would help the BJP's narrative of people accepting the revocation of Article 370. The campaigning by the new regional parties J&K Apni Party, the Democratic Progressive Azad Party, and the J&K People's Conference have targeted the Abdullahs and Mahbubas Mufti in separate poll speeches. The candidates of these parties blamed them for the conflict in Kashmir and use of force on civilian population during agitations. A meeting of BJP National General Secretary Tarun Chugh along with BJP Jammu and Kashmir Unit President Ravinder Ratna, General Secretary and in charge of Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha constituency, Subodh Gupta, on Wednesday decided to put 2 campaigners in charge of each of the 18 assembly segments in this constituency, where voting will be held on May 25th. Sources said the BJP leaders are mobilizing the support of Hindu, Gujar, and Pahadi voters, who make up over 50% of the 18 lakh voters. For the candidates who belong to parties other than the NC and the PDP, Mr. Raina and other senior leaders campaign in Anantnag and Baramulla for several days. The people deserve leaders who are committed to their well being round the clock, not just during election season, Mr. Gupta said. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti and NC leader Mia Altaf, also a Gujar leader, are contesting the Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha seat, while Zafar Manhas, a Pahadi, and Salim Pare are the J&K Apni Party and DPAP candidates respectively. We are chalking out separate strategies for 3 Kashmir seats, Mr. Raina said. Polling in the other 2 seats in the valley, Srinagar and Baramulla, will be held on May 13th and May 20th respectively. Over.